guys, welcome back to another video. So we are expecting a squishy package any minute now, so we're really excited.
I'm so excited.
So we're really excited. We ordered a lot of good squishies.
Yeah.
And we're just hoping that
It's not a little squishy package again.
yeah, well, hopefully it's
that
might be them. So we'll be right Guys, back. We have a squishy package. The seller on eBay lived really close by, so they just dropped it off at our door. They live here a couple towns down. You know. So here is the squishy.
Do you want to smell this water bottle?
No, let's not. Let's just put the lid on it.
Here, I'll smell it.
No, let's just look for any extras.
Let me smell it.
Stop with the water bottle, child. And we have just a bunch of trash in here. So
For extras,
and I'm assuming that this water bottle is the extra. So let's smell it. Maybe it's scenty because it looks like there's a cotton ball.
let me smell.
Oh gosh, it's really strong. It's some sort of cologne or something, but ooh, that stinks.
I know.
Anyway.
Okay,
Let's start off with this squishy right here. So I ordered a jumbo emoji ball, but it is just a little tiny ball, and it's not that squishy. It's almost like a stress ball. It's not very squishy at all, so I don't know what's up with this thing. Okay.
I'll squish the next squishy. So we ordered this kind of squishy at eBay, I think. Yeah, at eBay. All our squishies are from eBay. Or Michael's. This one is from Michael's, I think. Yeah, from Michael's. So it's this blue squishy.
It's really weird.
What the heck? It's this.
It's supposed to be a galaxy bun, but this does not look like a galaxy bun, and it's like has like some weird slime, and it's like oozing, so I don't want to open it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the next one. So we ordered a jumbo eye bloom squishy, and this looks like it's made out of paper. It feels yeah, it feels cool though. It doesn't feel like a squishy, but it still feels
A little squishy.
a little like a squishy, maybe like a not very slow
Here, let
rising
me squish it.
And I ordered a jumbo eye bloom watermelon squishy, so that's definitely not
You
it.
can see.
So yeah, the next one is a cinnamon bun.
Now let me do this one.
So
Hey, you got to do two? Let me do
yeah, I'm trying to open it, but Luca's being a little mean. So let's open this one up. So this is supposed to be eye bloom as well, but I'm assuming it's not because
Here, I'll squish
one, it has like a matte finish, and I see a defect. It is from eBay, but it's not supposed to be used on eBay, and they can tell you if it's brand new or if it's used, and I'm seeing a lot of defects on here, and it's not registered by iBloom, by Giroux, by anything. So let's give it a little squish up here. It's squishy, but it doesn't feel like memory foam. It's definitely not iBloom. And it's just maybe like foam, you know, those cool like water toys that you fill up with water in the pool. It's like that foam. Anyway, guys, that was the worst squishy package ever. Bye!